this guide, I'm going to show you how you can install Twitch here on a PC or laptop. Before we do get into this guide, if you do find it helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, installing Twitch as an app is actually super convenient because it lets you open Twitch quickly without needing to use a browser every time. In my case, I'm going to use Google Chrome, but the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a web browser. And from here, just go first to twitch.tv. Hit enter. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. And once the page does load, go up to the top right corner and you're going to see these three little vertical dots. Essentially, go ahead and select that and hover over the option for save and share. You're going to have to scroll down a little bit. It's going to say like cast, save, and share. Hover over that and you're going to see even more options appear in here. Essentially, go ahead and select install page as app and hit enter. Hit install up at the very top and it's going to install the app. And on top of that, what you can do is create a shortcut for it just by right clicking on this and selecting create shortcut or pinning it to your taskbar. Whenever you go ahead and do this, you're essentially good to go and you're going to have this app available to play anytime. It really is as simple as that. Like, as you can see, I have the app right here. But yeah, if you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.